Mia, but you can it's Mia, but you can call me Mia for short. And some of the things I just like. Okay, I think one thing I got because I think.
Zamamiya, here I go again. My, how can I resist you?
Uzama this thing, uzama that thing, uzama yonke into. My baby's a pick a box.
Sanibonani, Dumelani, Malweni, hello. What it do, baby? My name is Zamamiya, but you can call me Mia for short. And welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see by the title of this video, today I'm featuring some of the beginner kit things that I got from scrolling through all the beauty influencers of South Africa, and actually some international ones, because drugstore is an option for all the kids. So some of these items I got mainly from MIHLALI'S beginner kit thing. I don't remember the actual name for it, but I'll put it on screen and I'll link it down below. Okay, so the first segment of this video is gonna be a unbox with me. We have started opening this one. So I got things from the online shop, the Discount online shop, because we don't have Discount in my hometown. What's new in Makanda? We don't have Discount, and some of the products, actually even the clicks, we have clicks, but actually let me start with clicks. Even the things that they have with clicks are limited, and some of the things that other clicks have, they just don't have here. They didn't feel the need to. So nalapo, I'll probably end up going to shop on clicks online when I do another makeup shopping spree. So I'm starting with clicks because literally it's a couple of things. Cool. So the entire, like, all the things were like under 1,000, maybe a little bit more. So at clicks I got everything for 235, rounded up, 234.38 cents if you want the exact detail. And I think this is like something that's relatively important if you're new and you wanna like try out makeup and you're trying to like budget for it. So that's why I told you, I'm telling you the prices. And then for my Discount one, for the Discount, everything came up to 882, which is, yeah. So the budget for my this makeup round was like 1,000 rand. I was trying to get as close to under 1,000 rand as possible. So yeah. So some of the things obviously you don't that I would not have bought, but they included in that final amount. But let me get into the actual things. So firstly, I have the Supermax super stainless double-edged blades. These I got hella influenced by KM's. Yeah, this is KM's. Yeah, KM's. And I'm actually gonna be doing a video real soon, probably like tomorrow because the sun is against me today, featuring these babies. Okay, I also at clicks got lashes. I got just 2 for now. I got the dramatic all of a flatter dramatic lashes from Sorbet, and apparently they are dense and double layered artificial lashes, and they come with a glue. That's how they look. And then these ones, the Clicks home brand, I wanted to see if there's like a difference. There's other brands of Clicks obviously that I'm looking into getting, but they all kind of look the same, which is a weird thing. They all look the same. But I'm looking into getting a couple more lashes. These are just volume eyelashes for a full even look. and they also have glue included. And then I got the Clicks brand Duel blender. That's how it looks. Obviously, you know what a beauty blender looks like. I don't know what's the purpose of this, but then there's like this part, which is interesting. You see, when you watch these videos, you never see these things. But yeah. And then lastly, I actually, fun fact, sent my niece to buy me these things. She definitely butchered the entire list, but it's okay. So she also got me the Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in ultra light or medium. See, so it's 3 bronze and blush powders, and it looks like that. Yeah. And then I got tweezers at Checkers, actually. Yeah, just regular tweezers to actually apply lashes with. And yeah, and I got a lip gloss from this is Colors is Fushini. Yeah, so that happened. Yeah, that's a Clicks. Moving on to the discount situation. So a discount, I got a couple more things. That's what the box looks like. So it comes with a little like airy situation. So let me just take it out. So I got the Lego Pro concealers, the 3 musketeers, 3 concealers. So this is in the shades Espresso, which is the darkest one, Warm Honey, and Creamy Beige. I don't know if that's what I wanted or not, or if they're gonna look, but you're gonna see how they look later on. Got those, and then things look so much better online. But hey, I also got the Maybelline New York New Baby Skin Primer. It's instant pore eraser, so it's a lightweight primer. It's smooth and poreless looking skin. Only for adults. It's not for babies. Cool. I also got the Lego Pro powder, HD defining setting powder in banana yellow, which is what my next door neighbor suggested back when I wanted to start doing makeup. I don't know, actually I'm gonna ask her if it's okay. If it's okay, this is her. I mean, look at how gorgeous she is. If she said no, then what a whoop. Hey. Okay, so this is the Maybelline New York Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation. I don't know if it's, I mean, it looks like my skin, but I got a tester from Fushini that I can't, like, it was a little tub and it was this shade. I didn't even test it out on my actual skin, but I was like, okay, whatever. But yeah, so foundation. And then I got this Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. Apparently that little babe is important. And then I got this, hello. Again, being so dramatic. I got this Essence Royal Party. Look at that. It's a whole toy. Royal Party eyeshadow palette, which includes 28 berry and nude shades. So that, it feels so nice. This is her. Another thing I almost forgot to mention. It comes with like a little sticker set. It is the cutest thing ever. Like, the cutest thing ever. It comes with a little sticker set, and these are the colors. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this out. That is it. I was supposed to get I wanted to get the brushes, but I wanted to get the set of like 30, I think. But I completely forgot to actually go on to actually finalizing the purchase, and then lockdown happened. And I also don't do my makeup ever, so I never think about it. That is it. Yeah, that is all. So that's all the little makeup situations that I got. I hope this video was like interesting in the sense that you got a couple of like pointers. It's gonna be fun to do. I'll list everything down below because obviously I got them at Just Came Online, and I'm sure they have them at Clicks, so I'll put everything in the description. It's gonna be fun to go back and look for them. And yeah, that is all for today. I am so excited. I'm so looking forward to actually starting to use these things. The first video is gonna come up really soon, featuring none other than these babies. Oh, something I actually don't have here is an eyebrow, like things for the eyebrows, Londi, because I would buy the brown one from Essence, but they never ever have it at Clicks Liner, and I completely forgot to get it when I was like buying things online. That is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you found anything informative, if you'd like me to do more videos where I do beginner vibes, actually let me know. I'm gonna do that, beginner vibe makeup things. Then feel free to hit that subscribe button to follow me along on this journey of experimenting and experiencing makeup, experimenting with makeup. And yeah, come learn with me. Let's all be gurus together. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below what makeup item you think you would love to like own, or comment down below what is up with these kids. Comment down below like what makeup looks that you'd like to see, because like I've got like this one palette now. I have other palettes in the house that I bought like a while ago. So if you had like a makeup look thing that you've always wanted to see someone else try it out, holla at me, and then I'll feature those on my trying to get my makeup game together series. But yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, until next time, bye.